Hi, I'm Adams. I'm a subsea engineer transitioning to software development. I've been working on subsea controls and hydraulics for the past 6 years, but my tech journey in web development is a little above 2 years. I have web and computer programming certification from BYU Idaho through the BYU Pathway Worldwide program. I also have a bachelor's degree in geology. I am a Prince 2 certified project manager with numerous other certifications in the fields of safety, risk assessment, and quality. After graduation, I managed a cross-functional project of 100 housing units. I directed project progress and delivered within stipulated time and standards. Subsequently, I moved to practice subsea engineering following my background in geology. I worked in subsea controls and hydraulic units where I developed process automation skills and followed structured workflow analysis for equipment integrity. I also used a lot of instrumentation to control, apply, implement, and apply specific jobs to automated machines and equipment. In my previous work experiences, I learned about applying efficient standard methodologies, which are now used in secure web development. I also leverage on Prince2, Primavera, P6, Trello, and other project management tools for structured problem solving in software development. My well-developed automation skills is now being applied to back-end API development and database management too. I pay attention to details as I worked in high-risk environment, and I followed attentive standards, which earned me in a Bosch Process Safety Management certification. I also applied this to software architecture, to code structure, and to API documentation during my software project. As a BYU Pathway student, as a BYU Pathway Worldwide student, I have had projects that included developing a tax management website and a tourism and hospitality website. I've gained skills in front-end technologies like HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, particularly the ES6 Plus modules. Backend technologies like Node.js, Express.js, SQS, and Firebase. Version control and CI/CD like Git, GitLab, and Docker. Frameworks and libraries like React.js and Next.js. Cloud deployments like AWS and Google Cloud platforms. I've also gained experiences in testing and debugging like cross-browser compatibility and software security. I've used these skills to authenticate and manage my events and users. I've also used it to implement intuitive UI and real-time updates and local storage. And lastly, I use them to integrate dynamic ticketing system and manage analytic features on my website. I believe in my passions in building user-centered, responsive websites and applications, and my experience in managing tasks and responsibilities. I feed into your company's missions and long-term goals. I want to thank you for considering me, and I look forward to working with a passionate team where my passions and creativity will be welcomed with opportunities of best industry standards for growth. Thank you again for this opportunity.